Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. We are doing a timed power hour speed clean with me. I will be sharing the products that I use with you in today's video, as I do get asked that quite frequently in the comments. We will be cleaning our house and just getting lots done. I am sharing with you the real life messes and I'm really excited. So let's get on into the cleaning. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and set my timer for 1 hour. Now let's tackle this mess. So starting off in the bedroom, I am going ahead and just making our bed. Honestly, I find when I don't really feel like doing anything, I find when I get up and make my bed, it makes me feel so good. I never make my bed first thing in the morning, as I get up around between 5 and 6 a.m. usually. I do make it every day, but I definitely don't do it first thing in the morning every day. Let me know in the comments if you make your bed every day and when you do it.
You wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me
I also love opening these blinds here. Honestly, I feel like there's just nothing better than getting it nice and bright in the room. So I love having all of the curtains open. Next, I'm going ahead and taking my pledge and just wiping down all of the furniture in our bedroom.
Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on?
So I wanted to pop on here and just introduce myself. For those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Brianne and I am a mama to 2 beautiful little girls. I have a 1-year-old and I have a 3-year-old, and I am also married to my wonderful husband. My goal with my channel here is that it inspires you and motivates you to get up and get moving. And here on my channel, you will find lots of homemaking and cleaning motivation. And so make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I would love to have you guys join our growing YouTube family.
Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me?
Hey everybody, so I'm really excited that my bedroom is now fully clean. Next thing that we are going to do is tackle my bathroom, as it is kind of out of control. So I hope that you guys are on your feet cleaning and tackling your mess with me today. And if not, I want to encourage you to take this moment to get up on your feet and throw a load of laundry in with me really quickly before we go ahead and tackle my bathroom.
Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now.
Alright guys, now that we got that load of laundry in, it is time to tackle our upstairs bathroom here. So there's just kind of some clutter happening that I need to get cleaned up. So let's go ahead and start tidying this up before we're gonna go and clean it.
Make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving.
So I'm just going ahead and using this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner to clean my toilet. I had been getting some questions about the cleaning products I've been using in my videos, as I realized I don't really show them. And so in this video, I'm trying to show you all of the cleaning products that I have been using. And so this next one here is my Tiber River spray, which I've talked about. And I do usually talk about them in my videos, but again, I don't really show them. This stuff is amazing. Try and pay close attention to my sink here and just like the silverware there. Look at that, and then wait until I clean it.
I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands.
Here is a real life mess. The toothpaste has accumulated on this little shelf here as we always put our toothbrushes on here. And so I'm just going ahead and wiping down the surfaces here as well as the little back wall in between the shelf and the sink as it got fairly dirty there as well.
If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Moving on to our living area, I'm just going ahead and giving this table a nice little polish, and then what we're going to do is move on into the entryway. You will see here very soon it was a total mess. I'm so thankful that the day I filmed this video, my husband actually cleaned a lot prior to me filming, and so our kitchen didn't have a lot of cleaning to do, which was nice because I could focus on the other areas of the house that just had, you know, the day-to-day messes when you have two little kids. And so it was just really nice to have him help her out.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
Here is another real life mess for you. We just bring in so much dirt and stuff because we are constantly going in and out of the house, whether we are going somewhere to run some errands or taking my oldest to school or, you know, whatever. I mean, we leave constantly, and so this front area I can never seem to get under control. There's just always so much dirt and stuff here, but yeah, I just want to go ahead and give this a really quick vacuum and wait until you see all of the grossness from our vacuum, so make sure that you stay watching for that.
Like them being pretty, honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark.
All right, guys, are you ready for it? Look at this. The amount of dust and dirt and dog hair is absolutely disgusting. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little hack here when emptying this. So for my vacuum, I have the Dyson Animal Vacuum. You just pop this little lid here and all of it falls out. But you guys, I just can't even believe this. It is so bad. So take a little knife and get it in there. You can also use a pen if you want and then just like throw the pen out with it. But I ended up just going ahead and using the knife and pouring it into the garbage. And wait till you see the mess I made. All right, so as you saw, that was tragic. There is now dust all over my floor. I don't think our vacuum has like ever been that filthy. I hadn't emptied it in a while, so no, that's not just from today, but whew, I gotta get going here. I'm looking at my clock. I have about 30 minutes left. And so yeah, I still wanna mop the floors. So before tackling this mess though on the floor, I gotta grab a coffee.
Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important.
All right, now that I have a coffee pick-me-up, it is time to start cleaning the kitchen. Let me know in the comments if you ever drink coffee in the afternoon. I'm actually drinking a decaf. I can't drink regular coffee in the afternoon. Or I would be up until like who knows when, and I usually go to bed fairly early because I'm up really early, but I do like to have a cup of decaf. It still feels like it gets me up and moving. But yeah, I wanted to know, what is your go-to coffee drink? If you've been following me over on Instagram, you'll know I absolutely love Tim Hortons ice caps. And for those of you that don't know, I'm Canadian, and so I freaking love Tim Hortons. So yeah, just wanted to kind of let you guys know what my favorite was, and I would love to know what your favorite is. Alright guys, there is still lots of cleaning motivation coming here in this power hour, but if you are still watching this, I would love for you to give me a little sun emoji in the comments. Make sure that you stay tuned to the end. We still got lots of motivation coming here, and I would also love for you to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and my channel and just helps to boost it in the algorithm. And I just want to thank those of you that are still with me and just know how much I truly appreciate it.
Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills.
Okay guys, I have 15 minutes left, so I'm going to quickly give my floor, just my kitchen, I'm going to give that a quick little clean, and then I'm hoping I can sneak some laundry in as well. And on my floors, I am going to be using the Go Clean Co method, which is just some bleach, some Tide powder mixture, and then really hot water. So I'm going to go ahead and use that on my floors.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist.
So as you saw, I did have to do a quick little sweep, as underneath the rugs there was quite a bit of dirt, and so I just went and did that before going ahead and scrubbing the kitchen floor. One pro to having a small house is I feel like in a timed power hour I can get so much done. So give yourself some grace, you guys. I'm sure if you have a bigger house or if you had a bigger mess and that sort of thing, you might not get as much accomplished, and just know it's okay. I did have a list of things that I knew I wanted to do, and so my biggest piece of advice for you would be to make a list before getting started cleaning, and then just go ahead and start. I like to start with, like, again, a simple task that's going to make me feel accomplished, for example, like making my bed. And then I like to get into the harder tasks, and you'll notice laundry is the last thing on my list because I freaking hate doing laundry, and I will be maybe one of the first to admit it, but I just have no desire to fold laundry. I don't mind washing and drying and doing, you know, that end of it, but I honestly very much so dislike folding and putting it away. And to be honest, I know if you've been here for a while, you will know that my husband does actually do a lot of our laundry. He picks up my slack there for sure. But I wanted to just show you the laundry that I did get done, and then real life moment here, you will see the basket of clothes that I didn't get done as my timer ran out. Alright you guys, my 1 hour is up, and that is it for our timed speed clean power hour today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you're notified when I post new videos weekly. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.